This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan in a Flanera. First, gather your essential ingredients, including 1 cup of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, ensure you have the right equipment: a Flanera, a larger pot for a water bath, and a good whisk. Finally, prepare your workspace to ensure a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience from start to finish. Now, let's create that beautiful caramel base. Melt 1 cup of granulated sugar directly in your Flanera over medium-low heat. Watch it carefully until it turns a rich, golden amber color. Once melted, carefully swirl the Flanera to coat the entire bottom and a small portion of the sides evenly. Let this caramel cool and harden completely. It will form a solid, glassy layer, ready for the creamy custard. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until just combined. Then, gradually add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, continuing to whisk until it is fully dissolved. For an incredibly silky smooth flan, strain your custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into the caramel-lined Flanera. This removes any small lumps or egg solids. Finally, it's time to bake and chill your delicious flan. Place the Flanera into a larger pot, creating a water bath, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. Once baked, let it cool, then chill the flan in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure it sets perfectly. To serve, invert the flan onto a plate, letting the caramel drizzle down. Remember to check the description for the Eau à la Water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.